How to make your business visible on Google Maps. One way to make your business visible on Google Maps is to create and verify your business listing. This can be done by going to maps.google.com and clicking on the Add a Listing button. You will then need to provide some basic information about your business, such as your name, address, and phone number. Once you have created your listing, you can improve your visibility by adding photos, videos, and other content. You can also encourage customers to leave reviews, which will help to build up your business's reputation and attract new customers. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your business is easy to find when potential customers are searching for businesses like yours on Google Maps. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.